Our Senses, How Sight Works by Sally Morgan. Seeing the world. We use our two eyes to see. Sight is one of our five senses. We use our senses to find out about our surroundings. Our world is full of light and color. As soon as you wake up in the morning, you open your eyes. What do you see when you look around? Which fruits can you see in this picture? Our five senses are sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. Our eyes. Look at your eyes in a mirror. Can you see the dark spot in the middle of each eye? This is called a pupil. We blink about 12 times every minute to keep the surface of our eyes clean. The colored part of the eye is called iris. Most people have irises that are blue, gray, green, hazel, or brown. What color are your irises? How do we see? We need light to see. Light passes through the pupil to the back of the eye. There, a part of the eye called retina detects the light. Then it sends a message to the brain. Look at the difference in the size of the pupil in these two eyes. In dim light, the pupil is large, so lots of light enters the eye. In bright light, the pupil is small to stop too much light entering. In bright light, we protect our eyes by wearing sunglasses. Judging distance. Close one eye. Try picking up an object in the middle of the floor. Now, pick it up with both eyes open. Which one was easier? Judging distances is important in sports such as tennis and golf. Our eyes work together so we can judge how far away an object is. This helps us to pick up objects, play sports, and perform tasks. This boy is using his eyes to judge how far he needs to hit the golf ball. Seeing all around. Put your arms out wide to your sides. When you look straight ahead, you can see your arms out in the corner of your eyes. If you can see colored cards placed at the edge of your vision. Our eyes are very good at detecting movement at the edge of our vision. We can see things in front of us, but nothing behind us. Many animals have eyes on their sides of the head, so they can see in front and behind. A horse's eyes are on the side of its head. Seeing in color. People can see in color, but many animals see only in black and white and shades of gray. However, we can only see colors when there is plenty of light. At night, in dim light, we cannot see colors. People who are colorblind have difficulty seeing the difference between red and green colors. A colorblind person cannot see the number 5 in this photograph. More boys are colorblind than girls. Watch out! Bright colors such as red and yellow are easy to see. People use these colors in warning signs to alert us to danger. These yellow signs warns people to keep away from electricity lines. Danger! Electric power lines ahead. Animals use warning colors too. Many poisonous animals are brightly colored to warn other animals to stay away. The bright colored poison arrow frog is one of the deadliest animals in the world. Animal eyes. Some animals such as bears and rhinos have poor eyesight. Others such as owls and cheetahs have very good eyesight. Many animals have eyes like our own, but some look very different. Snails have eyes on the end of their tentacles. Insect eyes are made up of lots of tiny eyes that work together. These eyes are good at detecting movement. A fly's huge eyes give it excellent sight. Problems with sight. Many people do not have perfect sight. They have to wear glasses or contact lenses to see far away objects or to read. Our eyes must be checked regularly to make sure we can see clearly. Blind people are unable to see. Some were born blind, but others lose their sight through sickness or an accident. Blind people use their other senses to find out about their surroundings. Find your blind spot. Ask your friend to stand about 10 yards away from you. Cover one eye and walk very slowly towards them, looking at their face. Suddenly, their face will disappear. This happens because you have a blind spot. There is a particular point at the back of the eye that cannot detect any light. When light lands on this point, you do not see anything. Normally, you do not notice this because you see through two eyes. The end.